We begin this hour with the latest happening in Dedham. Thank you so much for being here with me on a Wednesday. I'm Lauren Melendez. Now, today in the Karen Reed retrial, an accident reconstruction expert is set to take the stand. He's expected to be the final witness called by the prosecution. NBC 10's Minash Kongwari live in Dedham, revealing that this witness had very interesting tactics. Minash, let's talk about it.
And yeah, this expert, his name is Judson Welch. He's back on the stand. He was the one that used a chip inside Karen Reed's vehicle data from John O'Keefe's cell phone and then pieces of photos, pictures, and videos to ultimately make a report and conclude that it was Karen Reed who backed into John O'Keefe, leading to his death. He likely is the last witness that the prosecution will call up. And in their last line of questioning to him, they asked him to double down on his theory.
If the impact is basically more than approximately 8 miles an hour, it will likely break the taillight lens.
You have an opinion to a reasonable degree of engineering certainty whether John O'Keefe's injuries on his arm, inevitably in the back of his head, are consistent with being struck by a Lexus identical to the defendant's Lexus on January 29, 2022.
Yes.
What's your opinion?
That it is.
Reed faces manslaughter, second-degree murder, and leaving the scene of a crash for allegedly hitting John O'Keefe with their SUV. The defense now engaged in cross-examination with Welcher, and you can already tell the witness stand is beginning to turn into the hot seat, because in addition to analyzing data, Welcher even went out and got a replica SUV to imitate the alleged collision and test dummy to show how John O'Keefe sustained the injuries. We got a video of all of that we were able to see in court. After this, the defense is expected to take over, and we've now learned that 4 additional names were added to their witness list. The defense could not give us any details of them, but did hint that at least one of these witnesses will help reveal the misconduct of one of the former troopers at the center of this entire case, Michael Proctor. For right now, we're live here in Dedham. Minash Kongwari, NBC 10 Boston.
Things are certainly heating up, Minash. Thank you for that recap. NBC 10 Boston is your source for Karen Reed's second murder trial. We are carrying the court proceedings live today and every day on our sister station, NECN, and always as well streaming it on our NBC 10 Boston YouTube page. Then, of course, later join us for the day's recap, which airs every weeknight at 7 on Canton Confidential.